Say Merry Christmas, Martini. Here we are in Stamford putting up our Christmas tree. Martini's a little bit bored with this whole ordeal. We have some tunes playing over there. Cosette is coming to see if there's food involved, and bullying ensues. And here's Greg putting up the tree. Greg?
Hi.
That's Greg for you. He's just so busy with his work. So meticulous with his garland hanging.
It's the one activity where my OCD has a benefit.
Yes, and we must take full advantage. Here are the other parts of this tree ensemble that are yet to be. There we go. There's the rest. And got some candles going, got some TV Christmas carols. Here's our nog. And actually, here's the other nog. And let me show you the location of what we spiked our nog with, fresh from a wonderful cruise to Canada. Thank you very much. And that will end our wonderful Christmas video. Greg, would you like to say hi to the Millis family?
Hi, Millis family, and the rest of YouTube if this makes it on there. Merry Christmas. It's time for some nog.
All right. Bye. We love you.
Bye.